Honorable the President.
Umongameli ebezokuphendula imibuzo epalamente okokuqala kulo nyaka. Le mibuzo ibingqamelane nolwaphulo-mthetho kwaye nokuhlengahlengisa urhulumente.
We'll work together to rationalize government departments, entities and programs over the next 3 years. This work, which will review the role of all departments, including the Department of Public Enterprises, will inform the configuration of government going into the next administration.
Mr. President, are you in receipt of this report from the Department of Public Service Administration? If so, why have you done nothing about it since 2019?
The Department of Public Service Administration in April 2019 handed over to the President a substantive report on the macro reorganization of the state. It was never done.
uRamaphosa uthi amasebe karhulumente aza kuncitshiswa kwaye iinkampani zikarhulumente ziza kuba phantsi kwenye inkampani eza kusungulwa.
Because their reconfiguration report had brought us to 28. And I wanted us to go below that 28. This time round, because we are dealing with two key problems.
uRamaphosa uwakhabile amakhwelo okuba kugxothwe umphathiswa wamapolisa uBhekicele.
One of the things that this minister who you want to see dismissed is this the minister who raised the issue of the imbalance, should I call it imbalance, of the skewed ratio rather, the skewed ratio between police officers and the rise in our population.
iDA kwafuna amaphondo nomasipala babe namagunya okulawula amapolisa, kodwa umongameli akavumi. uMzantsi Afrika uza kusingatha ingqungquthela yamazwe eBRICS ngo-August. Umongameli uyikhabile nenkxalabo yokuba umthetho oyilwayo i-expropriation bill akazukuhambisana nomgaqo-siseko. Xulelani Philip, SABC News ePalamente.